Hey, kings and queens. Sandra Fenwick here, your mortgage consultant. I can't really see. I'm going to walk down here. We are live at the open house here in Bowie, Maryland. We at 6102 Gallery Place in Bowie, Maryland. I want to say it's 20760. This is a beautiful home. I'm here doing the open house. We had a couple people come through so far, but while it's quiet, I want to do the live. I'll do a live walkthrough with you guys. Let me turn it. I walked out to the front. I had to wait so you guys can see this beautiful street. Look how quiet it is over here, and the curb appeal on this house. So you're at the end of a cul-de-sac. The curb appeal at this house. Y'all need to see my dirty car. It's amazing. Wait till you see the backyard. So it's not a split floor. It's got, I'll show y'all. Cause I'm not a realtor. I like to stay in my lane, honey. And the yard is very well done. I love all the trees. These were planted perfectly. I'm walking up the driveway. It's a 2-car garage. You have your little walkway and your porch. Stage very nice. Let's see a family living here. It's hot. It's fire outside. I love the little bricks. All right. Ooh, thank you, Jesus, for AC. All right, this is the entrance. You first come in. This is the family room, living room area. And again, all the realtors on my page, if I'm not pronouncing these things right, don't at me, because I'm not a realtor. Here's the formal dining room. Look at this window. I love that. It's overlooking the backyard. And then there are steps to go upstairs and steps to go down in the basement. We're going to go into the kitchen first. All right. So this is a nice, spacious kitchen. Look at this island. This is unique. I've been in a lot of homes, but I've never seen the sink like this, but this is nice. And then you have the patio. They have 2 patios, actually, to get out to the backyard. There's a bunch of doors in this house I want to notice. Oh, I love the light fixtures. Let me turn the light on. So, stainless steel appliances. And then you have 2 closets back here. There's a lot of storage space here too. This is the laundry room. And then another door to go out to the backyard. So you have 3 different ways that I've seen. This is the garage, which not much going on there. But it's a spacious garage. And then there's a powder room off the kitchen. This is nice. I like this mirror. All right. And then we're gonna go out in the backyard. This backyard is lovely. Now you have a patio area here. And you can go down the steps. There's another patio area here. Then there's the entrance from the basement down there. There's another patio area. Then there's a hot tub. Then you have these steps here. So it doesn't look like anything is going on up there, but I love the landscaping. I like the rocks here. This is all well done, very well done. This will be all your backyard. But the steps, oh, look at the bunny. I don't know if y'all can see it, but look like they got a bird feeder out there. They got a couple bird feeders. And you can probably level out a piece of that and do another deck up there probably, if you wanted to. But these steps are a nice addition. I love this backyard. It's not too much, it's just enough. Look at the trees they have back here. All right, let's go upstairs. Y'all want to do upstairs or downstairs first? All right, back in the kitchen. Dining room. Oh, sorry. I love all the light fixtures in here. I even love that one. So let's go upstairs first. Not too many steps. If you're looking for a home with a minimum amount of steps, this is perfect. Now, I don't want to walk on this carpet. I don't like, this carpet is too light skinned for me to walk on it. They got a closet. This is would be nice for a guest bedroom, office. That's bedroom 1. This is bedroom 2, which it looks like it's the owner suite. Nice, lots of room in here. You can easily get a queen size bed in here. I love those side tables. And look at the closet, honey. How you turn the light on up in here? Oh, there we go. They got the built-ins already with the drawers, places for your shoes. This is nice. And then you have the owner's suite. Ooh, this is fresh. You can tell this is newly renovated. That's a nice size shower. I like the vanity. You know, I'm always looking for a good mirror. All right, this is the owner's suite. That was the bedroom 1, that's bedroom 2. This is the hallway, the main bathroom, or the guest bathroom. It has okay, that's for the, this is nice. And here's another bedroom. Even these bedrooms, this has got double closets. These bedrooms are a nice size. Think if they're for kids, or you can use one for your office. This is bedroom number 4. Nice size closet here. And all this outlooks your backyard. This is an amazing view. You wake up every morning, just look out in nature. Nice big windows, let a lot of light in. I like it. This is linen closet. All right, so all your bedrooms is here. 4 bedrooms upstairs. I'm assuming it's another bed. This is my first time walking through it with you guys. All right, now we're going to the basement. Ooh. This is, me and my family will spend a lot of time here, down here. This is definitely great for the family. Oh, it's another, hold on. It's a 3rd level down? Wow. Okay, that shocked me. That's surprising. So there's another bathroom. This is a half bath. This is another room. Wow. From outside, you would not think this place was this big. This can use some renovating, but it's nice. This is a huge closet downstairs. I need to turn the lights on, but I'll find it. I'll find them. I like the light fixtures they have down here. That's just a utility closet. Okay, they got lights. So this will be the card room. This is where we're gonna set up the food over there, the card tables. When we have the family functions, and this is where we're gonna be playing cards. We put a bar in here. This is where we're gonna be playing cards. And game night. And the third, it goes down yet another level. A whole nother, I would not have guessed this house was this big from the outside. Wow. What's this? Storage area, closet. Even though some of the features are a little dated, this home was well taken care of, well cared for. This looks like all new carpet, for sure. You got it. I'm not gonna touch that. I was, but I'm not anymore. You got it. I liked what they did with the wood panels down here. They painted them. It makes it look a lot more up to date. Okay, and this is just a storage closet too. So you got plenty of storage, plenty of room. You set this up as your man cave or your she shed, what they call it. This could be your man cave. That could be your she shed. You could put, it's so many possibilities here because there's so much space. You come down to the third basement and be like, leave me alone. I'm going down to my cave. And leave me alone now. Going downstairs and be out away and away from everything. Shoot, fix this up for her or him or whomever. I love the big windows. Brings in lots of light. Bathroom. All right, we back on the main family room area. I said me and the kids will spend a lot of time here, but shoot, one of those bottom, that room or the other room could be their playroom. Go all the way downstairs. Leave me alone. And this is the other patio to go out. And this is the way out closer to spiders. Closer to the hot tub. So this is dope. I love it. It's so hot outside. I'm gonna just sit here, try to cool off for a minute. We're ready for our next guest. You guys know if you have questions about this home, you're already pre-approved and you want to see it, please reach out to January Coates. I'll tag her in the comments. And then if you want to get approved for financing to buy this home, give me a call. You have my number, 301-965-1155. All right, see y'all. We were sitting in the dark. It's hot. I'm going to just sit down. It's hot. Ooh, this couch is comfortable. But yep, on these real estate streets, homes are still, people are still selling their homes. It's so nice and quiet back here on this little street. This is considered Bowie. That's what I wanted to ask y'all. Anybody put it in the comments. I need to see the Bowie state line. The Bowie city line, because Bowie is everywhere. And it seems like opposite ends of Maryland, that's all considered Bowie. And I'm trying to figure out how they all connect. So this is the side, this is the new side. Like it came off 50 and took MLK down. But yeah, this is considered Bowie. And then over there by Woodmore Town Center, those houses are considered Bowie as well. And then further out 50 off of, what is that, 175, 301. That's Bowie. So I'm like, what is it really Bowie? But this is beautiful. Prince George's County. So yeah, give me a call if you need to get financing to buy this property. I'm here to help. All right, see y'all soon. 301-965-1155. Bye.